In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Adobe Sign account in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've got that open, navigate to https://account.adobe.com. Alternatively, you can simply type Adobe Sign into your search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the necessary results to guide you to Adobe's official site. Once you're on the Adobe Sign-In page, look for the options that say Create an Account or Free Trial. You'll want to click on one of these options to get started. Now, you might see a couple of different plans popping up. Don't worry, it's just Adobe trying to get a feel for what you might be interested in. Pick the plan that fits your needs best. Remember, there are no wrong choices here, especially since you won't be charged until the trial period is over. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. It's understandable if this step raises a few eyebrows. However, Adobe won't charge you any amount until after the trial ends, provided you haven't canceled your account by then. So, rest easy on that front and proceed as instructed. After filling in your payment details, you will need to create a password. Choose something secure yet memorable. Once you've done that, click on the Complete Account button, and your Adobe account is almost ready. The next step involves a download. You'll notice a file starts to download. This is the Adobe installer for your computer. However, if you prefer, you can always continue using Adobe Sign right in your web browser without needing to install anything locally. Just keep this in mind if you like to keep things offline or prefer browser-based applications. Now, let's find Adobe Acrobat. On your browser, search for it, and when you find it, click on Explore. This is where the real fun begins. With Adobe Acrobat at your fingertips, you can edit text and images, export PDFs, combine files, request e-signatures, organize pages, and much more. At this point, you're ready to start using Adobe Sign and Acrobat like a pro. Whether it's managing documents, securing important files, or just exploring different features, you're all set with a fresh Adobe account. So go ahead and dive into the world of digital document management with confidence. Remember, if there's anything you're unsure about, you can explore Adobe's help sections or tutorials for additional guidance. Thanks for sticking around, and enjoy your new Adobe Sign account.